Hey guys, welcome back if you're new around here. Hi, I'm Janine McKinnon, a soon-to-be mom of 2 under 2, and I share about all things relating to living a healthy, happy, and stylish lifestyle. If you're not already, I would love to connect with you on Instagram. It's at HappyStylishFit. I'll leave it right here for you, but that's where I post the most regularly and share relatable motherhood ramblings in my stories. So please go ahead, check me out. Again, it's at HappyStylishFit. Shoot me a message to let me know you've come from here. I'd love to connect with you. So today we are here to talk about the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So I have a bunch of these unboxings on my YouTube already, and that is because this is just such an awesome subscription box. I truly love it, and I'm excited for June because it is all about summer loving and different ways we can use essential oils during the summertime for some different self-care things and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the box. So every month we are going to get 6 recipe cards to make some fun things and 4 essential oils, plus all the different fixings we're going to need to make them. So for this month's box, the oils that we get, here, let me just find the card here. We have Star Anise. So this is kind of like a black licorice essential oil, which personally I'm not the biggest fan of the scent of, but it is great for uplifting, preventing gas and nausea, aids in digestion, and helps overcome fearfulness. So that packs quite the punch, and do want to mention it is for 10 plus. I love that Simply Earth on their bottles have a little age thing on there, so it makes it super easy for you to know if things are safe for your kiddos and what age they're appropriate for. So that's the first oil we have. The next oil is Palmarosa. So this is a florally scent, which I quite like. So it says spicy floral and rose aroma, promotes healthy skin, helps sleeplessness, reduces fungus, swelling, and aches. Oh, very interesting. Excited to see what we're going to make with this one. And then grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Let's see how it smells. It smells so good. I love all the citrus scents. And this one is good for 2+ years. So that is awesome. And it says uplifts, energizes, supports mental focus, clears oily skin, promotes healthy hair, and cleans naturally. So yeah, this sounds like it does a whole lot of awesomeness, which is part of why I like it so much. And then last but not least, we have the Heed Soothing Blend. So this is a blend of hoe wood, lavender, and frankincense, and it is good for 10+ years. And it says it helps for throbbing headaches, resting, and yeah, head soothing all around. So there's our oils that we have. And then the extra little bits to make our things is a little canister, some aloe vera, which we all know we use a lot of aloe vera in the summertime for our skin, especially if you're more fair skin like me. I definitely use the aloe vera. And then dried hibiscus flowers. I love the scent of hibiscus, so I'm excited to see what we're going to make with this. Okay. So we have a Travel Buddy roll-on blend that we can make, and this helps with digestion, nausea support, headache relief. So it's just a good thing to keep in your bag while you're doing all of your summer travels, road trips, flying on the plane, things like that. Ooh, beachy hairspray, so that's fun. We're gonna mix up some sea salt, boiling water, some essential oils, and have a nice beachy hairspray. Hibiscus skin repair bath salts. So that's at least one of the things we're going to make with the hibiscus, which sounds perfect if you end up getting a little bit sunburned. Just relax in maybe a cooler bath with these bath salts and help ease the soreness. Ooh, After Sun blend. So this is what we're going to use the 2-ounce container for, and use some of that aloe vera. And this will help. Ooh, we can put it in the fridge and it'll feel so nice on a sunburn or just irritated sun skin. Then a Summer Day diffuser blend. We always get different diffuser blends, which is nice. Learning different ways of combining the oils for scents around the home. I have so many diffusers everywhere. And then last but not least is Hibiscus Frozen Facial. That sounds fun. So I am going to go ahead and make some of these DIYs with you guys so you can see what you're getting into if you sign up for the Simply Earth June box. I do want to give you some quick information about it. So Simply Earth, it is a monthly subscription box, $40 a month. And that covers again, 4 oils, different supplies, and a recipe card so you can have fun with the essential oils, learn more about how you can use them other than just diffusing. Because when I started with essential oils for a long time, I only diffused them and I really didn't know how to get the most out of the oil. So with Simply Earth, you're able to learn these things, make different roll-ons and things like that, which is great. So if you're interested, please sign up using the code HSFFree. And with that, you're going to get a big bonus box, which is so awesome. I will link an unboxing of that in the down bar. And you're just going to get a bunch of carrier oils and little containers and stuff to help you make the different recipes or any extra things you want to make. And then as well with the code, you're going to get a $40 gift card for their shop. So basically your first box is covered with the gift card, which is so great. This is a new change to the program, which I'm really excited about. So with that $40 gift card, I definitely recommend checking out maybe some special essential oil blends that you're interested in and stock up on some carrier oils, because I found myself making a bunch of extra roll-ons and things like that. So you're gonna want some extra carrier oils. So without further ado, let's get into the fun stuff and make some recipes. The roll-ons are super easy to make. So for this Travel Buddy roll-on, all we're going to do is add 5 drops of Head Soothing Blend, 1 drop of Star Anise, fill the roll-on bottle to the top with almond oil, give it a little shake, and then you are good to go. And this is going to go great in your bag for any summer traveling that you do. Next up is the After Sun blend. So we are going to add 3 tablespoons of the liquid aloe vera. I definitely recommend putting a paper towel or something underneath unless you have a funnel. Then 20 drops of Head Soothing Blend, 10 drops of Palmarosa, and then we just fill it up to the top with some water, give it a good shake, and it is ready to be used. The third DIY recipe we're going to do is the Hibiscus Frozen Facial, which I think will just feel so nice during the hot summer. So in a small bowl or a measuring cup so it's easy to pour, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 6 drops of grapefruit, and 3 drops of Palmarosa. Then you're going to stir that together for 30 seconds. Next, add 3/4 cups of water and give it a good little stir again. Then you're ready to pour the mixture into the ice cube tray. So when I did it, it only filled half my ice cube tray. So I do recommend doubling the recipe. But once you have everything poured into the tray, you're just going to sprinkle some hibiscus flowers into the compartments and give them a quick little stir before you pop it into the freezer. Alright, well there we have it. That was some fun recipes. I really like the After Sun blend. I think I'm going to get a ton of use out of that. And then I think I'm going to convert the frozen facial into a face mist and leave out the hibiscus so there isn't the staining, because when I'm at the beach I love just having a face mist to spray on your face. It's so refreshing. So there we go. That's everything for the June Simply Earth subscription box, all about summer fun. Thank you for hanging around. If you're interested in checking it out, which I highly recommend, I've been getting this box for around a year now. My essential oil shelves are stocked. I've actually had to create another little bin for all of them. And like I said before, I'm really learning how to use them all, which is really great. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below for you, and make sure you're using that code HSF free. You're going to get the big bonus box, which is like jam-packed full of stuff. Again, check it out in the down bar. I'll leave a link for you. And a $40 gift card, which basically pays for your first box. So I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching, and if you're not already, please make sure you're checking me out on Instagram or Pinterest, because I have tons of essential oil pins on there too. And for both, it's at Happy Stylish Fit. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.